crispy sweetened crust with a rich mawa and dry fruit filling. Let's make irresistible classic Indian sweet mawa gujiya. For the rich and sweet gujiya stuffing, I am taking 200 grams of mawa or khoya. Let's roast this. You can use the store-bought mawa or make it at home instantly. The recipe you can find in the description box below. The mawa has got a slight golden brown color. It is roasted as much as we wanted. Let's take this off the flame. We will let this cool down a bit before adding other ingredients, and this is important. Or else, the stuffing will be runny after adding the sugar, which is going next. Once the roasted mawa has cooled down, I am further adding half a cup of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of chopped cashews, 3 tablespoons of chopped almonds, 2 tablespoons of chopped pistachios, 2 tablespoons of Chironji seeds or Chironji, and half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Let's bring everything together. While the dominant base of this filling is mawa, variations with coconut and even rava are made. The filling is ready. Let's quickly make the gujiya dough now. For the gujiya dough, I am taking 2 cups of plain flour or maida, 4 tablespoons of oil, or you can even use ghee. Firstly, I am mixing with a spoon. Then, I am mixing the maida and the oil using my hands for a minute. This is important to get a crispy outer layer for our gujiyas. The flour and the oil have combined well. Time to add half a cup of water in batches. We will be binding this into a tight dough. The dough is kneaded. Now, I am covering the dough with a damp cloth and we will let this rest for 10 minutes. The dough is ready to be rolled out. Bit by bit, I will be taking a handful of dough and dividing it into further smaller portions. These portions I am shaping into flattened disc-like shapes. Time to roll them. I am dusting the disc with a tiny bit of flour and rolling them with gentle pressure. All are done. Time to seal the gujiyas with the stuffing. Now, for stuffing the gujiya, I am taking a spoonful of the stuffing and placing it in the center. Apply a little water on the inner corners so that they can be sealed well. Bring both the edges together, giving gentle pressure. Then, start pinching, folding and twisting the edges like this. This is the traditional way of sealing the gujiyas. If you don't get this right, no worries. An easier way of sealing the gujiyas is using the fork. Simply press the upper portion of the fork on the edges and what you will get is a sealed gujiya with a beautiful uniform design. Another way of sealing the gujiyas is using the gujiya maker mold. Simply place the flattened disc on the gujiya maker, fill in the stuffing, wet the corners and close it. Remove the excess of the dough from the corners, open it and you are done. All the gujiyas are stuffed and sealed. Time to fry them. The oil is hot on low-medium flame. Slide in the gujiyas. Flip occasionally and let them fry from all the sides until golden brown. This will take around 7 to 8 minutes. The quantities I have mentioned make around 12 gujiyas. all the gujiyas are fried, you can simply enjoy them as it is. Or go a step ahead and make juicy sugar syrup soaked gujiyas, which I will be showing you next. For the sugar syrup, I am taking 1.5 cup of sugar, 1.5 cup of water, 12 to 15 saffron strands. Stir and let the sugar dissolve completely. I am also adding a few drops of lemon. This will prevent sugar crystallization. The sugar syrup is reduced to nearly one string consistency. This is all we need for the coating. Dip the gujiyas in the sugar syrup and let them get coated from all sides. Take them out. A beautiful sheen to make everyone drool, and that's not it. Garnish the freshly coated gujiyas with some dry fruits and saffron strands. I love having them warm. Though you can store them in an airtight container for 3 to 4 days. Enjoy! Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.